In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot to create and manage your contacts effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can navigate the platform with ease. First, let's get started by navigating to HubSpot. Open your preferred web browser and enter the HubSpot URL. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll have access to all the features HubSpot has to offer. Next, we're going to find our way into the CRM section. This area is essentially the heart of HubSpot when it comes to managing your contacts. You'll see a menu on the top of your screen. Click on the CRM option. This will lead you to the page where you can manage your lists and segments, which is crucial for organizing your contacts. Now let's dive into segments, also known as lists. On the left sidebar, look for the segments or lists option. Click on it. This section allows you to categorize your contacts in a way that makes sense for your business, helping you tailor your communication efforts. From here, we are ready to create a new segment. At the top of the page, you'll find a button labeled Create Segment. Go ahead and click it. A new interface will appear, guiding you through the process of building this segment step by step. Once you've clicked to create a segment, the next step is to choose what type of data you want to segment. You'll be focusing primarily on contacts, so click on the Contacts button. This ensures you're working with the right dataset from the start. With your segment type chosen, proceed by clicking the Next button. This will lead you to a screen where you can begin applying filters. These filters help narrow down your contacts based on specific criteria relevant to your current needs or campaign objectives. Click on the Add Filter button. This is where you get to define the specifics of your segment, whether it's based on location, activity, or other properties. Take some time here to think about what criteria are most relevant to your goals. After setting your filters, select the appropriate conditions. This might include choosing from a list of options or entering specific values, whichever best suits the segment you are working to build. Once done, click. Next, to proceed to the final step. Finally, the last action is to click on Save and Process Segment. This action will store your segment within HubSpot, ready for you to use whenever needed carefully. It will be processed and available in your list section, neatly organized and easy to access. And there you have it. You've successfully created and managed contacts within HubSpot. With this knowledge, you can ensure that your communication is targeted and efficient, improving the relationships with your contacts. Thank you for tuning in, and happy marketing.